guys, today I'm playing MM2, but I accept the challenge with Kuya. We're playing MM2 right now.
Yeah.
And you know what?
Guys, what you think of my voice? I literally voice reveal in this video.
Yeah, I voice reveal already.
Okay, where the heck are you now? What? Are you trying to surprise attack me?
No,
No.
I'm not. No, I'm not.
No,
I'm
you're not.
Yeah.
I'm at the dead end.
What kind of dead end?
I can't see you anywhere.
Bro, I'm literally right over here. I'll go to the window for you.
What window?
This window.
I'm
when
in the
you saw me
kitchen.
here. What?
I'm in the kitchen.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'll go there.
You go there.
Guys, do you even see my hands? I'm literally controlling it. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Oh my god.
See you! Oh my god! Yeah! Okay. No!
You said you're gonna be in noob mode!
Ah, okay, sorry.
I made
Wait, what did you say?
it. Sorry,
This
guys.
channel is family friendly, don't worry. Whoa, why did you appear out of nowhere?
Oh my god!
Peekaboo, oh my god. Where are you going now? Woo! Sorry, accidentally shit. It's fine. Oh my god. My sister has anger issues.
Oh my god, and I'm lagging.
Because you hit clear your tablet. Don't hit it next time or you will actually lag. Fine, let me go reset real quick. I wanna change my role. Okay, I reset for now. Okay, I'm murder now. Where are you?
I'm really angry.
Oh, hi. Why
I'm
did you
dead.
reset?
I'm really angry.
Bro, you literally just died 2 times. And you're literally... It's way worse if you join the 50 FFA. Oh, I thought you jump scared me.
Go.
I'm in the kitchen. Are you in the kitchen?
No.
No, you're not. A burger. Yummy. Oh,
I
there's also
literally
chocolate.
saw watermelon too.
Oh yeah, there's a watermelon. Who drank beer? That's not beer or something. Oh my god, you scared me. You scared the crap out of me that I threw the knife and almost killed you. Ah! Bro, haven't killed me a single time yet. Just kidding. She killed me at the intro of the video. Woo! Ah! Oh my god, you dodged that. Why are you just sticking your gun out? No. Boom! Oh, never mind. That's fair. It hit the wall! You still dodged that, you're good. Ah! Okay, wait.
Oh my god! Why am I keep on shooting? Oh my god. Why are you running away from me? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah!
How did you do that?
Oh my.
Where are
The
you?
flip?
Are we even fighting or something?
Oh my gosh.
This is like a chase or something.
Yeah.
Oh, Where are you?
I'm literally right over here.
Oh, okay. So you're right over here. No, never mind. You're not. I wonder where you are.
So my bullet,
No, I did not see your bullet.
let me keep shooting so you can find me.
Oh, what are you? I thought... Oh, finally, I saw you! Get over here! Ah, no! Wait, sorry, I was AFK for a second. Oh, you hold you hit me.
Oh!
Wow! How did you dodge that? Finally, after for so long, someone got killed. And it's me, Rich. Okay.
Yeah.
Sheriff versus sheriff for now on.
You saw me?
No, I did not see you. I'm blind.
Why did
You know
see
I
me
did
or
not see you
something?
because you were not there. Whoop! You jump scared me. Just kidding. Okay, finally, I got payback.
You killed me. Oh my god!
Bro, it took 10 seconds for you to respawn. Ah! I saw you.
Try killing me again and I'm gonna hit you really hard.
Wow, you're noob. Ouch. It hurt. Fine, that's it. I'm murder mode for now on.
Murder mode?
I mean roll. Sorry.
Narinig mo si Mami?
And,
Ano gagawin mo?
okay. Where are you now? Where are you?
You're taking forever.
Ah! You jump scared me again. Muli. I'm gonna hit the dispenser so much times.
Oh my god, why am I literally hiding right now?
Hello.
I'm so nervous!
Are you kidding me? Fine, sheriff versus sheriff again.
No!
Okay, let me stop now. Okay. Where the heck are you now?
What the hell? Why was my gun floating for a second? Did you see that, guys?
Oh wait, I forgot you're
It's
here.
already 8.
Yeah.
I'm good at shooting spam jump.
Shooting spam jump? I'm not even spam jumping.
Yeah, you are.
Okay,
I'm almost leaving!
Okay.
And you kill me.
No, I did not.
That's a payback.
Yeah, absolute payback. Instead of absolute cinema, it's absolute payback. Where the fuck are you now? Oh, I know you're there. Ah! Okay. Thankfully, I didn't activate the move. What? I almost hit me again.
Oh my
Why
god.
are you shooting random things? Ah!
Oh, I almost hit you.
No, you are not shooting me.
Oh my.
I'm so sad.
I thought that was your feet.
Hey, you what? Okay, guys.
40.
This is our very last round. If neither of us die, the video is gonna end now, and we're gonna do the outro. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Where are you now?
I'm almost back to training.
No, don't go back, please. Okay. Ah! Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please consider to like and subscribe.
Yeah, bye, duh.
Bye, viewers.